the smooth UK ones, don't I?
So, you look like a monk with your little hood up. What are you doing?
Keeping the hair on my eyes.
Keeping your hair out your what? Why don't you get a haircut?
Yeah,
Do you want to borrow this?
No, I'm good. I've got my
You're going to grow in your dad's club. You're going to start wearing a bandana around your head.
Got the axe, I'm gonna give my haircut.
I've got my hood on fine.
So we're at Kielder. Kielder. Heading to the Horseman's hideaway. But guess what? There's no horseman here apart from me. We've got new members.
I'm not new.
Oh, you're not new, this is true. Do you remember Colin? Who remembers Colin? He came once last year. And he's been in vacation ever since. Because he's retired.
Hence the time.
Oh, look at that! Look! Oh, he's got to show the rib. Look at the abs. Got to show. Do you see my abs? Robust. And the boy's back. A monk, a little monk, chipmunk.
Keeping the hair on my face.
So Lee was going to come. Unfortunately, some sad news in the family, so he can't make it. And oh, my car's falling to pieces. Ooh, let's fix that. Yeah, so nothing. There's actually nothing wrong with Lee, no.
Okay.
He's supporting me.
That's women for you.
But yes, Lee won't be able to make it, but Andy is coming. Andy's coming. In fact, Andy's going to be here in a couple of hours' time. So we're going to get to the camp, drop the stuff off, get the tent set up, then run back again to meet Andy to take all the rest of the stuff back down there. So
He's like a minute about how fast he goes in his car.
yeah,
Yes.
he's a fast driver. Let's press on. Well, we're set up camp. Sarah's staying behind, aren't you, kid?
Yeah.
Was it? Yeah.
I'm just going to go where
Look at that view, man. Look. It's cold, look. Ready to take on the world. And we're going to go meet up with Andy and get some more stuff from the car. So it took us, what, 40 minutes to get here? Yeah. That was a good pace as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, we've already done the drone bits
All right.
going faster.
I reckon we'll get back quicker. But, right, Andy should be there hopefully within the next half an hour basically. So, but lovely pitch, beautiful area. Look at that. Lush. And we're going to leave the boy behind. Right, let's go and see Andy. Well, we did come back to the car for 2:30.
Yeah.
No sign of Andy, was there?
Yeah, you can even change the sign to say.
I know. I put
Timestamp it.
timestamp it. Yeah, we did actually say 3:05 we left, but it's now nearly 3:15, and he's not here. 45 minutes late. I mean, to be honest, I'm quite shocked because Andy's not normally late. Let's just hope he's okay though. That's the main concern.
Andy, don't be dead.
Don't be.
We'll feel really guilty for a good half an hour.
Oh, and the only thing we're bad about, we've got to carry the bloody extra wood now ourselves. God. But we managed to get it into the 2 bags. So, right, head back. Otherwise the boy will be wondering where we got to. So hopefully Andy will turn up soon. So, strange on this trip, not having Lee here. Especially this is Lee's favourite location, so we are missing you, mate. In fact, Andy hasn't even turned up yet, so I hope he's okay. But yeah, you are missed. Won't be the same without you, pal. But next trip, although we are going up the fells, don't forget, so get yourself ready for that. But we're now going to go and see if we can get some more wood.
Who are you talking to?
Camera.
Hi.
I would say we're missing Lee.
Oh, yeah, we must be Lee.
Right, who?
What?
It looks fairly safe now. I think what's fallen is it's fallen now, isn't it?
I would say so. Oh, there's one bug.
Well, you're gonna might get a couple that are out in the forest.
There's a witchy grub, you've got to eat it if it is.
A witchetty crab. I think. I mean, whatever's. I mean, I can't see any of these ones now going.
It's not. This one is. This one looks a bit.
This little thin one.
Yeah.
Cut it down. Give it a shake. Tell you what, could probably just cut the bastard down.
Yeah.
couldn't
Yeah.
I think we're.
It's not stable at the bottom. You can feel a bit of movement.
Yeah. I think we're good to go here. We're safe again here. What do you reckon?
Coming from someone who has no clue, I'd say yes. We're very sure.
I'll take that. I think we're good. I think we're good. Christmas camp.
No sign of the Blair Witch either.
Christmas camp, Cole.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really sheltered as well, isn't it?
It's lovely. Well, even when the wind picks up, it just comes through here. But you got we ended up pinning the tarp against these trees here, putting it above the fire. It was lush. We've limited ourselves slightly on the hammock space because that's now fallen over there. But you could easily still get clear it up a bit, clear up the trees and shit. It's even flat enough to tents here as well. One, two, yeah, easy. Spot on. I came across by accident because I came from that direction.
Right.
Down there's another little gravestone. Past those fallen trees. It's like a trail, an old trailhead, that's what it is.
Well, yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
It's real.
But it's lush, isn't it? Plenty of firewood.
We came and did a bit of a
Clear up, yeah.
beforehand. Even just to make a little gap to get through to the tree for.
Yeah, because even if it could, I reckon possibly the shift this big one could even be possible.
Yeah.
Get the branches off and shit. But I think if we do that, you can then have another hammock here. We've got firewood, Carl.
Here, deep in the forest, we come across the great crested cushion.
Hold on, do you know where I put mine? Where's mine? I put it around here somewhere. Can you see it? Where did I put it?
E.T.
Oh, it's a little shelter. All right if it rains.
Hola. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Hello there. 2 hours late. 2 hours late. Haven't been to 3 camps, and now I'm 2 hours late. But hey, like the song goes, hey ho, it's off to camp I go. I'm 2 hours late to see me mates. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. See you soon.
Well, we've got the wood, we're back, and while we're back, hiya! Look who's back! Oh, look! Andy's back. Novelty's worn off already.
The Mac's back.
Mac's back. Mac attack. Oh, there's a few midges coming now, aren't there?
Yeah.
Ooh, oh yeah.
Well, you see, I said that, but you took no notice of me.
Hello. Only came when you arrived.
Right, but I brought the sun with us as well.
Oh, yeah. Supposed to get him sunny in the next hour or two.
That's because I'm, yeah.
Right, let's get this tent sorted out.
As you can see, obviously, I did all the work there. You know how it is. I'm pretty cool at what I do, and you know, them lads over there, they can bug off because you know, I've done everything and I'm too cool at this. Honestly, this fire, man-made by me. I'm too good at this. Hell yeah, man.
So, from the 4 horsemen, only 2 made it. From the Horseman's hideaway.
2 horsemen.
But we've got the rest of the crew here.
Front and back end.
The crew's here.
Front and back end of the pantomime horse.
It's been a lost trip. You've chilled?
Yeah.
That is, isn't it?
We chilled out with this the bag on the wall.
So we don't fall back. Well, it's been a cracking trip. I hope we get Mark back on the next one as well. Mark is coming on the next one, isn't he? Gaffer's coming in June for the Fell Walk. He can't make the July one. He's coming in June. And Lee says he's going to try and come, but we'll see. I don't think he'll enjoy it, will he? Lee's not one for walking too much. But it's been a lovely trip, isn't it, boys? Eh?
Beautiful.
It's good to have Andy back.
Hit it, boo.
Till next time, eh?
Ta-ta.
You gotta say goodbye, boys.
See you later.
So, there you go.